How to use the latch decode function.
Set sample depth, frequency and trigger position.
Enable compression function. Duplicate A0 to A7 channels. Group A0 to A7 into a bus. Group A1 to A7 into a bus. Set the trigger condition. The user can rename the selected channel or bus.
Click on the top of the toolbar, Acquisition.
From the drop-down menu, click on the channel assignment. Click the single capture icon. Start the device under test. Configuration Protocol Decoder. The user can highlight the color of special data. Configuration Protocol Decoder. Click the Activate Latch checkbox. If Activate Latch is enabled, the bus data will change on the rising edge of channel A0.
Thank you for watching.